Ceiling-mounted dental camera recording system. Installation guidelines. The ceiling-mounted recording system is the customer's preferred installation mode. Let's introduce the installation method. First, connect the power cord and HDMI cable reserved in the ceiling from the middle of the disc. Put on the disc. Notice, the disc assembly should be as shown in the figure below, with the socket facing the dental chair. Tighten the bolts with double nuts. For safety, we use 8mm thick stainless steel discs and thickened stainless steel studs. The entire system is made of excellent materials. Next, the column. Notice, please refer to the figure below to determine the direction of the column before installation. Put on the ring and shell. Wrap the post with masking tape to temporarily fix the ring. The power cord at the transformer end goes out from the top of the column. Then install the bottom cap. Next, install the light arm. Screw on. Pass the HDMI cable of the light arm from the bottom of the column to the disc. Connect the light arm power cord, transformer power cord, and rocker switch, according to the installation guidelines. Now install the light. Firstly, remove the shell of the light arm. Connect the light with the light arm. Pay attention to the screw holes. Screw on. Then connect the HDMI cable in the disc assembly. Notice, the HDMI cable from the camera is connected to the input port of the splitter. HDMI cable from the ceiling access output port. Plug in the input power cord. The wires are connected to the terminal according to LN and PE. Finally, power on to test if the circuit and the HDMI line are connected correctly. Then we can reinstall the light arm shell and the trim shell. That's all. Thanks for watching.